So here we have the data. So here we have the products and we have the state name and the amount we have. Here we see Rajasthan is there. Rajasthan is repeated more than repeated 3 times. So we'll see 3, 4, 5, 6. So here many times Rajasthan is there. So what we will do? We will group this data. So by using Power Query, we can group this data. At first, we have to convert this to a table. Okay, so we'll convert this to a table. I'll click anywhere on the table and click on Control T. So it is already converted into table now. Okay. So how we'll know that whether this is converted table means we'll click anywhere on the table and here we have the table. In the design tab we have the table tools. So design tab is there means it is already converted to a table. Okay. So now we'll go to data tab and we'll click on from table or range. Table or range. Then here all our data has come. Then we have to go to transform tab and we have group by where we have group by. Here we have group by. So we click on this group by. First click on this group by. So here basic is there. Basic means only we want that only state wise. State wise we want to find out. We want to group the data. Okay. So we click on a new column will be count and operation will be will do sum of the amount. Okay. So will column will shift amount will do. So only if you want to group only by a single column means this is a basic one. We'll click on OK. So here Rajasthan like that is coming. So we can load this to by coming to the home tab and close and load. We can load this one. Another way is if you want to group it by multiple columns. So what we will do, we'll undo this one. To undo, there is no option for undoing. In normal Excel, we do Control Z to undo our last Excel. But in Power Pivot, there is no. We cannot use Control Z to undo our last Excel. To undo our last action, we have to simply come to this here apply steps here. Here cross mark is there. We close click this means close means our previous data will come. So now we will do. So what we will do? We will click on the group by data. So we'll come to the advanced one. Advanced one first we will click on product. Then next grouping is state. Then new column. Third column name will be count. Here we can type amount. Then operation what we will do, we will be doing sum of the amounts. Here column will be amount. Okay, means first here we will have the product column, then we have the state column. All the fields will be grouped by second column will be by state name and last will be the amount. So we'll click on OK. See, now here we have only Rajasthan. At first will be our carrot is there. Then here everything will be our unique values. Okay, unique values, and second we have Rajasthan. So here like this it is there. Now it has been converted to very compact form. So now we load this to our sheet. So we click on close and load. So here our data has been loaded here. So here to find the summary of our data, we do this group by function. See how our data was there here in sheet 1, how our data was there. It had up to 43 rows, but now in our new data had only 23. New data here. New data had only 23 rows only. They all are unique values here. Here Rajasthan product is carrot, and here Rajasthan beans product is beans. So like this all product, and the sum is also there. So this is how we do grouping. So next we'll see another topic. Then we'll do on pivot columns. We'll click on the open this one. So see, we have data. So this is our data. Here we'll see data means we will convert this sales data. What we'll do? We'll here the January, February, March, April, May are in separate columns. So we'll bring these are in horizontal format. So if you want to bring this in a vertical format and the values will be in vertically, so how we'll do that? So we at that time we'll use unpivot function. So we call the unpivoting a table. So first we'll convert this to a table. We'll press Control T, then we'll click on OK. We'll convert to a table. Then we'll come to data from table or range. Then we'll click on let it load. So now we'll come to click on transform tab. no, not transform tab. Okay. Then what we will do, we'll click on this heading. The name is there, no? So we'll right click there, and here we have unpivot other columns. Means what we will do? Your names are there, and we'll unpivot the rest of the columns. Rest of the column will unpivot. So we'll click here on the heading. We'll right click there and unpivot other columns. We will do. Unpivot other columns. So here see, the horizontal data was converted into vertical data. So here we have it is converted here. After that we will load this one. So we'll come to home tab, close and load. So here it has been unpivoted. So we can convert this to more compact form by using the pivot table. So we'll click on insert tab. We'll click on pivot table. So we'll select the range. The range is up to the mark now. We'll take it. Okay, so we will click here. We'll select the range. Then click on OK. Then we'll click the attribute and we'll value. So this is converted to more compact form. So this is one way of doing using the unpivot function. Next we have another table. This is one table unpivot tool. So here is another data is there. How to convert, how to unpivot this data. So we'll convert this to a table again. Control T we will press. It's already a table. So we'll click on to data. Then we'll come to table from table or range. We'll load it into our editor. Then I will select all. Control A. I will click anywhere and do Control A. Then I will click on the heading. So A heading unpivot columns. So here now it is converted into vertical data. Now we will load this one to our close and load. So this is converted into our input format. So if you want to again use the pivot table and make it more compact, means again we'll click on insert tab, pivot table, we'll select the range. Then OK. Attribute value. So this is a more compact form. So this is one topic. We'll go to another topic. Next is append query. So what is append query? So we'll open this table. So append query means, what is the function of append means, for example, we have various sheets. So here where in January data is there in this sheet, in February data we have this sheet. So we want that below the January table our February data should come. So we can copy paste this data. That is easy way. But if there are hundreds and if there are hundreds and thousands of sheets, so how we will copy paste them? It will be difficult doing that. So what we will do? We will use the append. We will use the append function. So how we will do? At first we will convert this to a table. Click on Control T and click on OK. Then click on February tab. I will convert this also to a table. Control T. Okay. Now I will come to Data tab. From table and range. Table and range. Then yeah, this came. Then now what I have to do? I have to click on this close and load 2 I have to do. Close and load 2. Here you have to create only the connection only, and we click on OK. Similarly, we will create a connection for the February data from data table and range. Click close and load 2 and create a connection. Only create connection. Okay. So connection created. Now we'll come to get data. Then combine queries. What we'll do? We'll append our data. We click on this append. So here from 2 tables are there, or more than 3 or more tables are. Will only 2 tables we are having. So first table is table 1 and second table is table 2. Okay, and click on OK. So see, from after the January month we have there comes the February month also. Everything has been one below the other. Now we close this one and close and load. Close and load we will do, and our data appears like this. This is how we append our data. Then we will see another topic, that is merge. How to merge our columns. How to use the merge function. We will open this table, this data. So here we are having, this is our one table and this is on the sheet 2. So here ID is there and department is there. So in sheet 1 I want that one third after the last column should be added with the department. The department should come in the last column for each of these rows. So how we will do? At first we will convert this data to a table. You will click anywhere on the data. Control T we will do. Click on OK. Then come to sheet 2. Here also we will convert the data into a table. Control T. Enter. Now what we will do? We will come to Data tab. From table and range. So for table, for appending and for merging everything, for appending and merging we have to convert our tables. We have to create a connection for append and merge. So here also we will create one connection. So here I will click on close and load 2 I will do, and I will create a connection. Only create connection. Okay, I will do. Then you will come to sheet number 2. This way here also what we will do, we have to from table and range we will select, and we will click on this close and load 2, and here also we will create only connection. Now we will click on this get data here, then combine queries, and we will click on this merge. Here we click here and we will select table 1. This is our table 1 data, and we click here. We will select table 2. Here table 2 appears. So what is same in these two tables? ID is same. So I will click this column and of table 1 and this table in this column of table 2 means the selection matches 11. So join can left outer all from the first matching from second means all from the first, everything will come from the first and match from the second, means we will match the second here and the department will come here. So I'll click on OK. So here it came, and here I will expand this one. I'll click here. I want only the department, and I click on use original column name. I'll check it and click on OK. So here it is came. Department came for every all of our data. So here we are told to we close and load we will do. So everything. See, so we'll check this one. For Vishal, it was networking and ID is 141. So I will check whether it is 141 is 141 networking, and Vishal 141 is networking. So here networking it came. So like this everything it will come. So this is one way. Another here also in this sheet also we can do similar. If you want that here after the course name the course fees should come. So here also we can do the same by merging our data. Okay. So we will see on the topic merging multiple table will do. If you merging multiple table, how will do? So I will do this one. So here we will do this one also. So we have to convert this to a table. Control T I will do. Okay, I will do. Here also I will convert this to a table. Control T. Okay. And after that I will click on data table. From table origin I will create a connection first, and after that I will merge it. So create a connection. Close to. Only create connection. Okay. Here also I will select this from table and range. For this table also I will create a connection. Close and load to. I will click, and here to only create connection. Okay, I will do. So here also connection is what created. Then see here previously I had done table 1 and table 2 already I had created connection. So this file I downloaded earlier, not so that was created, connection was created. But now which connection I created is table 4 and table 5. Okay. So after that I will click on this get data. Then combine queries, merge our data is table 4 and table 5. Okay. So I will click here. Table 4 is our first data, and table 5. We'll see what is table 1. Whether it is same or different. No, it is same only. We shall table 2. What is that? Oh, this was a previous table. Okay. So your previous table we want the table 4. I will select. This is our data, and here we will click table 5. Okay, so here what is matching between these two tables is our course. This course is matching. So I click on this one and I click on this course. Okay, then I click on this course are matching, means based on these courses our course fees will come, and click on OK. And I will expand this table 5. I will click on this course fee. I will uncheck this one. Click on OK. So all the course fees came, and I will load this to our table. So here, so A001 ADCA is 12,000. So ADCA is 12,000. So like this for everything it came. So this is how we merge. So if you want to merge here only I merged two tables. If you want to merge multiple tables, So how we'll do that? So for that we'll open one another sheet. We'll click on this one, or this one. We'll open this table. So here, so we have our data, 12-month data. Here January, all these item and quantity are there. So I will merge this January, February data, March, April. All this data should come one below the other. So for that, what we will do? We will merge them. Okay. So first we are going to convert this to a table. We click on January. So I will click from January. I will click anywhere on the table, and I will click on Control T. So here I have to select the table. Here January is there, no? January item code. I will click. I will select it properly, because from item name and quantity it should start. I'll click here. Then I will click here. And okay, so my table is header. Our header should be item name and quantity only, not January. So that's why I did like that. Okay, I will do. So discount table. Similarly, February month, I will select this one and Control T. I will do. Okay, I will do. So everything, for everything I have to select like this. For each of this month, Control T. Okay, April. Control T. Okay, May month, Control T. Okay, June, Control T. Okay, July, Control T. Okay, August, Control T. Okay, September, Control T. Okay, October, Control T. Okay, November, Control T. Okay, December, Control T. Okay. So now everything has on our Excel workbook has been converted to tables. Now what we will do? I will come to the data tab, and I will click on this get data, and I will come to this from other sources, and I will click on blank query. So after this it will getting load. Here I have to type one command equal to Excel dot current workbook. Open bracket, close bracket. Here you have to be aware. Here we have to be. We have to know that here the command is case sensitive. Here the first Excel first word, first alphabet be capital letter, and after Excel dot current, in current it should be capital, and W should be capital. So like this we have to type and click on enter key. So all our tables which are present in our workbook have come here. Then we'll expand this data. I click here, item and quantity, and I click on OK. So here everything has been expanded. So all our data has come to in different one below the other. So now we'll close this one. What is this one? Your table data. Okay. So we'll do. So what we will do? We'll close and load. We will do. So your table has been downloaded here. So what we will do, we will make some changes. So in January, what I will do, I will make this laptop, I will change this to 120. So I have to see that it is updating in the sheet or not. So here I will click on whatever laptop I have done 120. So I will click here. I will do right click here, and I will do refresh. So it is coming 120, but here we have query, we have earlier we had 60 rows, now it is coming 120 rows. Again if we will refresh it, I will make other changes. In January I will make this pen drive uh, to 90, to the same should reflect in our sheet. Here I will refresh it, click anywhere, click on, and I will click on refresh. So it is 90 is coming, but previously it was around 121 years, now it is 120. So every time I refresh it, it is increasing, the rows are increasing, but that should not increase. Now it is 181, after 241, so it should not increase. So how to not increase the rows and keep our data correct? So what we will do, we come to the query, we'll click here, so it will come to our query. So what we will do, we'll click on this name column and we'll uncheck this query one, because every time we are refreshing it, the query one is adding it to the existing one. So that's why the rows are increasing. So that's why we are getting wrong output. So we'll uncheck this one and click on OK, and we'll do close and load. So now it will show 60 rows. Now if you will make any minor changes, in January will come, I'll make the keyboard to 110. Okay, so we'll come to the sheet. So here I will refresh, keyboard has been done 120, 110. I will right click here and refresh. So it is here also 60 rows are only there. So this is how we merge the data. So this is all. This was something about Power Query. So we'll see you next time. Thank you.